Hi there, this is a series of videos that will show us how to measure the beam width of an antenna using a network analyzer. So the first part we're going to learn is how to calibrate the network analyzer to make sure that we can measure this. So the first thing we need is a network analyzer. So here's our network analyzer. So the network analyzer will have an output port, it will have an input port. And the other thing we need an antenna that we're going to be testing. So there's an antenna that we want to test. This is our test antenna, and it's actually a directional one because we need a directional antenna in order to test the beam width. So then this will be transmitting, and then we'll have another antenna which will be receiving. This can be any antenna we want. We don't really care what kind of antenna it is. This is the one we care about because we're testing it. So then we'll connect cables like this, like that. So now from the output port, the cable is connecting to the transmit antenna, and the input port is connected to the receive antenna. So signal comes out of the output port, goes into this antenna, and then the antenna will launch it into space. It travels through space to the receive antenna, and that signal goes into here. And the thing that we have to measure is insertion loss. And the way that we're going to measure it is we're going to set it up just like this so that the receive antenna is going to receive maximum signal. So this arrow is the direction of maximum gain of the test antenna. So we set it all up like this, and then we calibrate for 0 dB insertion loss. So it's all set up like this. We press measurement 1 and we set it up to be insertion loss. We pick our frequency range, and then we pick our start and stop frequencies. Then we set it up like this. We press calibrate, normalize, it goes beep, and then we're ready to make our measurements.